Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. I'm in Otterly.AI. That's the primary tool I use for AEO SEO for my clients. I'm going to demo off Team Blast and what I'm doing for that. So to start, my Bing site indexing page gets a handful of leads each month. People have some issues with their website with Bing. They're looking for me to help them. Most of my leads do come from traditional organic search, but I've been getting more from ChatGPT and other platforms as well, where people will say, I found you from doing multiple prompts and then finding you, which is why I reached out. So I ran my page through Otterly.AI and I got all these scores here. And obviously, I'm not going to go through all of them because there's a lot. But the main takeaway that they shared with me was my summary block had about a 30% score. Now it's in the 80%. They recommended that I create a key takeaway section to make it really easy for ChatGPT and other platforms to clearly understand my service, to make it easy for them to potentially show me up higher within the visibility. But I also thought about this too, and this actually makes a lot of sense from a usability standpoint. So before, when you landed on this page, you would see this, and then you would not see a key takeaways page. You would simply see the what you get basically if you hire me and kind of what I do. There's obviously a lot of text. So I created a key takeaway section because, Adderley.ai is suggesting that I do that to help improve my visibility. So that makes sense. I want to be seen more often on, ChatGPT and Copilot and other platforms as well. But I get a lot of emails though from people and they'll say, hey, I'm interested in your Bing site indexing service. And then I will, respond with, I can look at this for about 2 to 4 hours of my time, depending on, the complexity of it. And then they usually come back with, what am I exactly getting for the 2 to 4 hours? And I'm spending another email over everything that I do. And I'm realizing that I should probably just make that really clear on the landing page and make it into a bullet point to say, okay, I'm using these tools, I'm doing these checks, and then I'm compiling the next steps for you guys to consider to fix the problem. So not only is this, suggestion make a lot of sense to be, potentially seen more often in ChatGPT and Perplexity and Claude and Grok and all these other platforms as well, but also from a usability standpoint, it makes a lot of sense too. People land on my page and they're like, okay, got it. This guy can fix this problem, but exactly what am I getting for hiring him? So I think that suggestion makes a lot of sense. One thing I'm also doing as well, so this is just an addition to Outerly. I've been talking about Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tools a lot with the AI performance. So if you don't want to invest in an AI, tracking platform, you can go to Bing, go to the AI performance, then go to the pages report. This is the citation, so you'll see how many times your pages are cited by different prompts and the suggestions. This is actually a great place to start because again, if you're, again, my Bing indexing service is one of my top. It's right over here. It's one of my top cited pages within Copilot. So that tells me if I can improve the visibility on for this page, I'll be seen more often in Copilot. But obviously, that should translate though to ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, and other platforms as well. So I'm kind of using both Outerly to get the content check, Microsoft Bing to get an idea of all the pages that are being cited, and I'm going through my content and I'm adding key takeaways to help improve the visibility for that page. Anyway, I hope this maybe sparks some ideas of what you guys can do next for your content. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and as always, have a good rest of your day.